we're unveiling the world's first modular electrical installation system.
It's called the P-Hub system, Pre-Wired Electrical Hub Distribution System.
It's so much safer for the electricians, so much easier to install. It is less wastage on site because you're using less wiring.
Benefit to the industry that would make it safe.
Traditional wiring is done in such a way that there are a number of bypass connections made in switch boxes, wall cavities. The P-Hub system eliminates that completely because we use plug-and-play harness technology where the harnesses are pre-made, and all that happens when the installation takes place is that the harnesses are plugged into the devices and the switches.
Generally, in electrical installations, the wiring inside of wall spaces, roofs, floor spaces is usually not documented. And the P-Hub system is designed so that each harness and cable is documented
to architectural and designer drawings of the installation, and therefore it eliminates incorrect wiring on site during rough-in, and the system is configured through a central hub. Traditionally, the wiring in an electrical installation, it loops between switches to distribute power. There is a certain amount of cable that is installed and excess, and when the fit-off comes, some of the cable is cut away to accept switches and the devices, whereas the P-Hub system is a star point connection, and that saves a lot of time, money and cabling. Because it's pre-tested, it makes it a lot easier for the electrician, and all he does is plug in the devices and the switches when he gets to the site, because they're all sequentially numbered, which makes it there is zero cable wastage. And very unique feature of the P-Hub system. We have a kill switch at the front door, and with one touch of a button, it switches all the lights off in the home. The P-Hub system is manufactured in Gold Coast, Australia, according to the AS NZS 3000, and has been protected by the means of patents in Australia, New Zealand, and internationally.
Everything that needs a light switch or a fan, whether it's your caravan, your boat, a house, a building, this installation applies to all those applications.